We are in our Leila Fletcher book 1, and we are on page 27. We are playing church bells, and we are going to be looking at F sharp, which is the first black key of the set of 3 black keys. Now in this song, our right hand thumb is on D, and our left hand is on middle C. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How did you do? Don't forget your F sharp. Your third finger in your right hand is going to play the F sharp. And on the very last measure, we have the A in the left hand, and it is a tie. You play the first note, hold it, add the F sharp, and then your B and G together.